this case, you don't know where you can create or where you cannot create, right? So you may want to know which one you can create. I mean, where you can create. So we're going to add new function, which is selectable. So go to the script. Yeah, we're going to create another script. But this is really going to be simple. So in the C# script, you can say selected object. And in here, maybe we can change to like red color or the blue color, whatever, yellow. Usually, yeah, maybe yellow. But let's see. So here, private material, because we're going to change the material inside of the script. Private material is let's highlight material, and then the start we're going to declare the highlight material is get component from renderer material. So highlight material is going to bring the material from here. And then update, actually, we're not going to use the update in this case. We're going to create another void, which is called on mouse over. In here, highlight material dot color can be color. Well, you can see a lot of colors from here, so you can choose whatever you want, but I'm going to use the yellow. And another void, because we also need when mouse over is finished, we need to go back to the original state. So on mouse exit, highlight material color equal to, for now it's a white, so white. Let's save this one. So we need to attach this script to our prefab. And open prefab. Inside of prefab, where is it? Script object. Yeah. So now, yeah, you can see that now you were selected, so now you know where is it going to be deleted. So this can be like the directly, you can directly create these things inside of here, but in this case you need to give some tags over here. So maybe you can connect the between over here. So to do that, well, as you can see, all of these things are together. So you cannot separate inside of the Unity. Once you bring it to the one prefab like this, I mean, of course, inside prefab, you can divide it into a lot of material, I mean, object. But when you bring the obj file from outside, this object is anyway. So to do that from here, you need to export actually separate. You need to export separately. So like, for example, I may just, what are those messing? After messing, export ShenZhen site base. And I'd like to export only the messings. The Unity, the prefabs. Here I can delete this one, and then white base and missing. Well, since we already have a texture here, so you don't need this time. You don't need to bring the texture, but you need to import the material files and object file at the same time. Okay, scaled down. Well, this case is kind of obvious number, which is 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. But like if it goes like very complex number, something like this, you also can do the right click, the transform, and copy the components. And here you can paste the components. So now it's exactly on this case location. And here, don't forget to add mesh collider. Yeah, and you might want to tag mesh as a new cube. For now, I'll just do like this, but of course you can add a lot of text in here. So in that case, oh, where is it? Oh, Raycast. Yeah, yeah, here. So in that case, maybe you want to add another text. Well, I can do it. So here, let's add new tag, messing. So messing is messing. The script here, this means or. This means or. Right. To do this, so messing. So to do this, if the tag is new cube or if the tag is a messing, it can be created new cubes, but like it's only going to delete new cubes, right? So we're not going to add the messing over here. So you don't want to delete the messing. So to do this, of course, you need to save it. Compiling. And like this in here, of course. Because it's because of the hit normal. So in this case, let's just use hit point for now. And it's going to like in normal way, and it's going to create. The reason why the color of the messing is not changing is because we didn't add the selection tools inside of the messing. So if you want to do it, you also can attach your script, where is it? The selected object to your messing. So yeah, the reason why I changed like this is like I said just white. Well, to do this, I mean, to solve this one, it was black, right? Well, I mean, simple way is like we can create, selected messing. We can just copy and paste selected object to selected messing, but here you need to type the black. I mean, because the reason why doing this is we are using, it is just using the colors. If you have the material here, this is not going to be happen. But however, it's just black for now. So save it, and in the mesh inspector, let's delete the selected object and attach selected messing. Here you can create and if you want to divide it into separated blocks, you need to export separately. Yeah. So like this. So